Hello viewers, welcome to my knowledge sharing channel. Happy knowing the information. This video is about the top mathematicians of India. First, Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was the first of the major Indian mathematician astronomers. He authored Aryabhatiya and Arya Siddhant. He contributed to find the value system and zero, approximation of pi, diameter of the earth, and also algebra. Brahmagupta is an Indian mathematician and astronomer. His works are Brahmastra Siddhanta related to mathematics and Kantakadiyaga related to astronomy. He is known for zero, modern number system, Pythagorean triplets, etc. Bhaskara I was an Indian mathematician and astronomer, also a scholar of Aryabhatta's school, who was the first to write numbers in the Hindu decimal system with the circle for zero and gave rational approximation of sine function. His astronomical works are Mahabhaskariya and Laghu Bhaskariya. Raj Chandra Bose was an Indian-American mathematician and statistician, best known for his work in design theory, finite geometry, and theory of error-correcting codes. Born in Calcutta, died at the age of 86 years. Satyendranath Bose was an Indian mathematician and physicist specializing in theoretical physics, also known for quantum mechanics and Bose-Einstein incandescent. He is a fellow of Royal Society and Padma Vibhushan Award recipient. Harish Chandra was an Indian-American mathematician and physicist specializing in representation theory, especially harmonic analysis on semi-simple Lie group. He is a fellow of Royal Society and recipient of Padma Bhushan. Dattatreya Ramchandra Kaprekar was an Indian recreational mathematician, described several classes of natural numbers, including Kaprekar number, Harshad number, and self numbers. He is a school teacher and also known as Ganidhan. Narendra Krishna Karmarkar, 65 years old, is an Indian mathematician, belongs to Madhya Pradesh. He is known for Karmarkar's algorithm and also invented polynomial line algorithm for linear programming, currently working on new architecture for supercomputing. Prasanta Chandra Mahalanobis was an Indian scientist and statistician, best remembered for Mahalanobis system, a statistical measure. He had been considered as the father of modern statistics in India, recipient of Padma Vibhushan Award and also a fellow of Royal Society. Kalyanapuram Rangachari Parthasarathy, 83-year-old, is an Indian probabilist and the professor emeritus at Indian Statistical Institute and also a pioneer of quantum stochastic calculus, recipient of the World Academy of Science Prize Award. Srinivasa Ramanujan was an Indian mathematician who had no formal training in pure mathematics, made substantial contributions to mathematical analysis, number theory, infinite series, and continued fractions. He is also one of the youngest fellow of Royal Society. His birthday is celebrated as National Mathematics Day. Kalyampudi Radhakrishna Rao, 99-year-old, is an Indian-American mathematician and statistician. He is a fellow of Royal Society. His best-known discoveries are Kramer-Rao bound, Rao-Blackwell theorem, score test, multivariate analysis, etc. Recipient of Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan Awards. Radhanath Sikdar was an Indian Bengali mathematician who is best known for his calculating the height of Mount Everest, worked as a computer in Great Trigonometric Survey, and also served for the meteorological department. Sridharacharya was an Indian mathematician, Sanskrit Pandit, and philosopher. He has also written Trisadika and Padiganita. It deals with counting of numbers, zero, multiplication, division, squares, cubes, etc. Also wrote on practical applications of algebra, formula for quadratic equations. Subramaniam Chandrasekhar was an Indian-American astrophysicist who did mathematical treatment of stellar evolution. He is a fellow of Royal Society, recipient of Nobel Prize for Physics in 1983. He has also received Padma Vibhushan Award. Cool. Now it's your turn. Quiz of the day, known as the human computer, wrote a book figuring the joy of numbers. Her talent earned a place in the 1982 edition of the Guinness Book of World Records. Please comment her name in the comment section. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please mention your valuable comments. Happy knowing the information through my channel. Please like, share and subscribe.